Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make music or audio sound muffled on CapCut. So in here, I've already have a photo and also audio on my timeline editing, and here if you want to make this audio sound muffled, you can just click on the audio file and go to the voice changer menu. Click on this, then go to the voice filter. So if you want to make it sound muffled, you can choose between two. You can use the megaphone or the phenol options. Let's try to use the phenol. Okay, that's the sound, and this is the megaphone. So the feed or velocity has been applied. So just choose between these two, and if you want to adjust it more, you can just click on the setting. Here you can adjust the strength and also the noise. For example, click on the check icon when you're done, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Thank you.